Valentino rock stud flap. Comes with care booklet, with extra stud, with strap, and with dust bag. Yung studs niya, it's complete. Tapos the color, it's champagne or pale gold. Hindi siya yung silver. Yan, grained leather. That's the front. Ang ganda oh. Side, buo yung rubber lining. Next is the likod. Yan, yung kanyang logo. Next is the other side. Tapos meron pa siyang cloching. Yan oh. Or charm. That's the bottom. Yan. All corners nito maganda. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, and then corner 4. Next is the underflap. And underflap. Lips niya walang crack, tapos loob ng bag. Malinis yung loob ng bag. Tapos meron siyang zip pocket ton. So this one, sling bag. So, pwede mo siyang carry na ganyan or pwedeng baliktarin mo rin if you want to show yung Valentino na logo.